we're lucky, we can see a car maybe.
Then we stop and take it.
Everybody, please make sure that you use both brakes at all times, especially because I think we all come from different countries. So maybe you come from England or somewhere in the Commonwealth where the brakes are on the other side. This is a big problem. So use both brakes at all times.
And the cars are on the other side.
And the cars are on the other side. But we might not run into cars because maybe there'll be traffic, but we're not sure. There's no people.
Physiology to, you know, heart rate, that content.
This one.
And I learned to pick a but that's a very rough road, so I don't recommend it for those who are maybe beginning bicycling. And Koppy will probably take the, aren't you going to take the safe road?
As in life.
Mostly we say, well, you know, that mountain's 40 million years old or something. You can say, well, that mountain was created on Wednesday at 10 o'clock. Yeah.
Obviously laid and then it's flowed and caught it inside.
Kilometer!